Sanitaire maintenance. Models RS72, RS140, RS435, and RSA760. Lamp replacement. Caution: be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves when performing this task. Unplug the power cord, unlatch the clips, and open the access cover. To remove lamp, carefully press it against the spring-loaded lamp holder. When the pin on the opposite side clears the stationary lamp holder, pull the lamp out. Repeat for any additional lamps. New lamp installation. Insert lamp into the spring-loaded lamp holder. Align the pin on the other side and slowly release. Repeat for any additional lamps. Intake filter cleaning. Note: cleaning frequency will vary depending on the conditions surrounding each installation. Electrostatic filters may be cleaned regularly without any loss of efficiency. HEPA filters are not washable and must be replaced. Unplug the power cord and open the access cover. Remove the filter from the housing. Vacuuming. In most applications, regular vacuuming will keep the electrostatic filter at peak performance. Vacuum the upstream side first and repeat on the discharge side. Washing. If vacuuming fails to restore a clean appearance, immerse the filter in a basin of clean water. If the filter is contaminated with heavy grease, immerse it in a soapy detergent solution. Then, be sure to rinse it thoroughly with clear water. Shake off any excess water and allow it to dry completely. Caution: do not use a high-velocity water stream to clean the filter, or you may destroy its internal fibers. Place the filter back into the housing, with airflow direction pointing into the electrical enclosure. Close and relatch the cover. Plug the power cord back in. Congratulations! Consistent maintenance of your Sanitaire model will ensure many years of successful operation. Please don't hesitate to contact one of our UV specialists if you should need any further assistance. Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation. Contact us today.